Hi there, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk with you about my journey of past 1.5 years, uh, within which I have learned Python, and also I secured a full-time job as a Python developer with a quite a good company. And the package I received is 8 LPA. That is, so I think it's good because I am just a fresher in this field. Okay, so before that, I mean, before 1.5 year back, I was in civil engineering field, and I started learning Python after that lockdown happened, after that Corona lockdown happened. And I think because most of the times I was in the room and searching YouTube, so I think maybe I watched a video too about coding, and idea just struck to me. So what I did at that time, that I started learning, I started watching videos on YouTube, and I from the very first day I tried to apply all the learning using by simply coding myself. Okay, so and how I kept, I will talk further that how I kept myself motivated for coding on everyday basis. So uh, and how it occurred to me that I should change the field from civil engineering to computer science, and to go for a full-time job. Okay, so I'm going to share with all this with you and this video, and also I will talk about the channels which I followed on YouTube, which I think were very helpful for me. Okay, so let us start. So prior to this 1.5 year back, apart from, I mean, this thing is new, this Python programming, this is new. I'm thinking of creating tutorials from now on. So if you are new to my channel, and I think most of you will be new here because I have not created any specific tutorial kind of videos. Only few of them are tutorial. Most of them are paid things here. Okay, let us start from 1.5 year back. So 1.5 year back, I was
Hello friends, my name is Sanjay
okay.
and
So what I was doing is that apart from teaching civil engineering, I used to play guitar, and it was not
hello.
as a profession, but just for fun. And I am sharing it with you just for fun. You can go and watch my videos if you like guitar playing videos too. Okay, so this was my hobby before coding thing happened. But when I started learning coding, I sometimes I play guitar, but not very often now, because it it is it becomes quite, um, heavy as a heavy schedule for me, and also my fingers, they hurt sometimes. So now I'm thinking of creating videos in this channel. Okay, what helped me in this part? So first video that I watched for Python, learning Python, it was from this channel, programming with Mosh. Yes. Okay, so this guy has a
Hi,
very
my name is Mohammed.
very good tutorial video for Python tutorials here, and also other stuff is he teaches all the I mean, very, you can see that he is having other courses also for Java, for Docker, etc. So I think I watched this one, yeah, for beginners. So this was my first video, and then after watching this video, I downloaded Python, and I installed it, and I installed PyCharm. I think, yeah, PyCharm was the first idea, and then I started applying my knowledge for my uh, codes which I created for my civil engineering work. Okay, so other channels which have I mean have helped me uh, is this tech with Timmy, this channel. He also teaches. I mean, he is always to the point. He's quite brilliant. I think his mind is brilliant. Okay, so if you watch his videos, you will learn a lot here. And then one more channel. One I will share a few more here. One is this Corey M. Schiffer. Corey M. Schiffer. Corey M. Schiffer. Okay. So this guy, his videos are also very good. Always to the point. So you can see his most of the tutorials are for Python. Okay, pandas, matplotlib, Django, Flask, everything. This is related to Python. Okay, and one more channel, that is Traversy Media. So Traversy Media, this guy teaches a lot of stuff, not just Python. He teaches, I mean, very. He's having a lot of knowledge. He teaches almost everything: React, Node.js, Python, okay, GraphQL, everything, PHP, man, Docker. So, and his teaching is also very good, I think. Okay, and apart from that, what I remember is Nick. Yeah, Nick White. This guy, I watch his videos too. Uh, yeah, okay.
Grammarly can help you write quickly and confidently.
Okay, so he's he makes sometimes he makes fun videos too, and I think I have watched his videos. I have watched his video, and one from India is Code with Harry. This guy, he teaches in Hindi, and you can see his following is quite big, 2.26 million, and he also teaches very good. I mean, yeah, his skills are good. Then yeah, I think these are the channels which I have followed most, and I, of course, I have watched many other channels, and but these are the ones which come to my mind. Okay, so whenever I search for something, and if one of these have made a video on it, I would just click on that video and watch it. I mean, I prefer to watch their videos, and okay, so this is from YouTube, and if you go for websites, then I think W3 Schools is a website which you should know about. They have tutorial for HTML, CSS, Python, everything. I mean, JavaScript, MySQL, okay, C++, R, Java, everything. And their website design, and they don't just write theory, they provide this platform like this try yourself. So when you click on try yourself, this command, you can run it as if you are running it on a Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. I mean, this is a real coding platform. Okay, so print hello world. When you run it, it will print hello world. If you print hello Sanju, oh sorry, Sanju. Oh, what is happening with me today? Sanju. So if I run this, so this runs the code parallelly. So this is website. You don't need to install uh, anything. Okay. So similarly, you can try HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. So for JavaScript, you can use there try yourself command like this. So this is a JavaScript array. So if you try it yourself, you can run this code and it will display the result here. Okay, so this website is very good. And then second one which comes to my mind is this Stack Overflow. This website, I mean, you will find everything here, every question. Okay, whatever. What are, if you search anything, what are Python set? Okay, so what does the yield keyword do? So you can see 16,000 people have voted for this answer. Okay, and 11,705 people have voted for this question. I mean, it was helpful for many people. So you will find this question, just read this question and then read the answer, not just one answer, you will find many answers here. So this is the first answer, and it was answered by, okay, this guy, and this is the other answer by given by someone else. It may answer. Okay. Okay, so this is a very helpful website, Stack Overflow. Okay, I have not taken any paid courses for this learning. Okay, I learned just by watching the videos and doing practicals by coding. I mean, I have done coding myself, and then for for 1 year I tried various things by my on my own. I did some freelancing too. I created some codes and sold them. Okay, and I was successful in that too. Not very much. I mean, not. I didn't make any good amount of money, but just for a starter, it was a confidence booster for me. So that's all. And then when 1 year passed, then I started thinking that okay, I should go for a full-time job. And so I contacted one of my batchmates from computer science department. He was in computer science branch. So one or two guys, I contacted them and they told me that you should make that I should make a CV or resume and post it on Naukri.com or Shine.com, etc. So I created a resume and showed experience of 1.5 years and wrote everything, whatever projects I had done. So if you are applying for a job, you should write about all the projects and you must know the projects you have done. You must know, I mean, you must be passionate about whatever you have done. So while choosing projects, you must always keep in mind that the projects must be something which you are really interested in. Okay, so for example, I have had created this app for creating Vedic horoscope Kundli. So because I knew Vedic analysis, I mean Kundli analysis, so I created an app, okay, desktop app. So someone when they feed their date of birth and time, etc., their Kundli analysis, it gives you whole Kundli chart and Dasha, everything. So this was a when I finished this project, it was quite a confidence booster for me, and not just that, I sold the code for 5,000 rupees per code, I mean per person. Okay, so whoever wanted to buy it from me, I sold it for 5,000. Initially, I kept the price low, but later I yeah, so raised it. So also, and if you must be when you are applying for a role of Python developer, you must know Django or Flask. Better you know Django because Django is, I think, now getting more popular, and you must have done at the time of applying job. You must have 2 3 projects under your belt with Django. Okay, and learn about it, watch videos about it, and go and do projects and l- learn. I mean, try to understand each and every step. Why the code is like this? I mean, what are the suppose what is user authentication in Django, like that. Understand it by going deeper into the Django files. Okay, so you must know and Django ORM, object relation mapper, learn about it and what are its limitations when compared to SQL, or what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, etc. You just try to compare it. If you feel that you are, I mean, getting at it, I mean, you are not progressing any further, and you are stuck with your learning path, take a break. Take a break from Python. Try to learn some other language, and then compare it with language, and then you will find something okay that I then come back and then again start learning. So this way it will be. I mean, this is what I did. I learned PHP also, and I learned everything: SQL, PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Don't just learn Python. I mean, I think you will not get a job if you just simply learn this basic Python. Okay, so go deeper into the OOPS concepts also. So, but they ask all these things in interview. Okay, you must know the OOPS concepts. What are classes and what is inheritance. Okay, what is polymorphism, what is abstract class, all these things, what are decorators. So learn all these things, and but if it all sounds very overwhelming for you, don't worry. Just start slow. Take your time. Take at least 1 year. Okay, you must give at least half an hour each day, or 1 hour each day, and I think that is how it's gonna be possible. Okay, so yeah, that's all I did. I just kept myself motivated by creating new projects which interested me, and everything that I need to learn is on the internet, on YouTube, on websites. Everything is there. Don't wait. So that is how I did it. So I hope, yeah. So that is all I think. If you have anything which you want to ask to me, just put it in the comment box, and stay connected for further videos. I think I'm gonna make some tutorials. I will try to make. I mean, I will try to make. I will try to teach in an effective manner so that it is beneficial for you, so that you can learn from these videos. I will try my best. I don't know how good I will be, but that's what I'm planning to do. Okay, so thank you, and all the best. Thank you. Stay connected.